Have you ever wondered why some plants suddenly come back to life while others keep struggling? Today, I'll show you a simple one-spoon fertilizer that can help tired plants grow stronger, greener, and fuller with regular use. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of used coffee grounds. As you add them, remember that coffee grounds provide nitrogen and valuable minerals that encourage lush green leaves and healthier growth. Next, add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Yeast contains natural nutrients and beneficial compounds that support stronger roots and improve the soil's microbial activity. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar feeds the beneficial microorganisms in the soil, helping them break down nutrients so plants can absorb them more easily. Mix everything well until evenly combined. Sprinkle 1 spoon of this mixture around the base of each plant, keeping it a few inches away from the stem. As you gently mix the upper layer of soil, the nutrients begin blending into the root zone where they can gradually nourish the plant. After applying water lightly to help carry the nutrients deeper into the soil. With regular use every 3 to 4 weeks, many plants can develop greener leaves, stronger stems, healthier roots, and more flowers or fresh new growth over time. Try this natural gardening tip and watch your plants reward you with healthier, more vibrant growth. Happy gardening!